The eSign CFR Part 11 module can help organisations in the healthcare and life sciences industry to maintain compliance with FDA 21 CFR Part 11 regulations. As a recipient, you may have received a document from an eSign 21 CFR Part 11 account. In this video, we will show you how to sign a document sent from a 21 CFR account. To get started, open the email in your inbox and click Review and Sign. As per FDA regulations, as a recipient of a 21 CFR document, you are required to authenticate your identity and select a signing reason when you sign or initial a document. Here, you will be prompted to authenticate your identity as determined by the sender of the envelope. Follow the steps to authenticate your identity. This could either be by entering a passcode provided by the sender, entering your phone number to receive an SMS PIN, or verifying your email address, where you will receive an email with a passcode to enter. The authentication method will depend on the FDA regulations that you are required to comply with. Once you have accessed the document, complete the fields as required and click the signature to sign. Here you have the option to type, draw, or upload a picture of your signature. Upon signature, you will be required to select your reason for signing the document from the drop-down. Once you have completed the required fields, you will be shown the document. You also have the ability to download a copy of the signed document to your device.